today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trash in Monday.com. If you've ever accidentally deleted a board, a group, or an item in Monday.com, you know how important it is to quickly locate the trash area so you can restore what you need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what you'll see, and a few helpful tips so you feel confident whenever you need to recover something. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're on any main screen, such as your workspace or a board. The option to access the trash is always available from your profile menu, and that menu lives in the same place no matter where you are in the platform. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circle with your initials, your profile picture, or a generic avatar. This icon is your personal menu, and it's where Monday.com keeps account-related options, including the trash. Go ahead and click on that profile icon in the upper right. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu typically includes things like your account settings, a link to your profile, and options to log out. Among these items, you'll see an option labeled Trash or Recycle Bin, depending on the current interface language and version. Now, click on the Trash option. As soon as you do, Monday.com will take you to the trash page. This page is where deleted items are stored temporarily before they're removed permanently. Here, you can scroll through the list of deleted boards, groups, and items. You'll usually see information such as the name of each item, when it was deleted, and sometimes who deleted it. From this trash view, you can select specific items to restore if you deleted them by mistake, or you can choose to permanently delete items that you're sure you no longer need. Keep in mind that trash is often cleared after a certain period, depending on your plan and workspace settings, so it's a good idea to check this area soon after something is deleted. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon in the upper right and then selecting Trash, you can quickly access and manage deleted content in Monday.com whenever you need.